everyone! Welcome to my channel. I am Zoe and today I'm showing you my wavy hair routine. Naturally my hair has a slight wave to it, but if I just let it dry with no product in it, it's pretty straight. When I followed this air dry routine, my hair has way more waves and texture. So let's jump to voiceover and get started. Okay, welcome to our bathroom. I am starting off with dripping wet hair with my head flipped upside down. And the first thing I do is grab a good amount of leave-in conditioner or detangler. I'll put all the products I used on screen and in the description. I have very fine hair, so you may need to use more product than I do. Anyway, I just finger comb that into my hair, focusing on the lengths and ends, and then grab my brush and get rid of any tangles. Then I scrunch out some of the excess water. Next, I take a lot of curl cream because my hair is still pretty wet, and I apply that all over my hair, gently combing it through with my fingers. Then I start scrunching from the ends up to help form the waves. After the scrunching, I take a t-shirt and lay it down with the neck hole facing me, and carefully plot my hair by lowering it onto the t-shirt. Then flip the bottom of the t-shirt up over my head and tie the sleeves in the back. It usually takes me a couple tries to get the plop right. And I leave the shirt on anywhere from 20 minutes to an hour. After that, I flip my head forwards and carefully unplot my hair. Keeping my head upside down, I grab a good amount of curl or wave mousse or gel. Mine is a foaming gel. And I scrunch that into my hair, trying to get it all over without disturbing the waves. Now, this is the point where a lot of people would start to diffuse their hair with a blow dryer, but I like to air dry. But instead of just leaving it to air dry as is, I like to plot my hair one more time to help encourage those waves. So I take another t-shirt, a dry one, and carefully plot my hair one more time, and I leave that in for 20 minutes to an hour. After that, I flip my head over and carefully unplot my hair, give it a couple scrunches, then carefully flip my hair around as I stand up. Then I shake out my roots a little and just leave it to dry. I'll give it a scrunch every once in a while, but the more you touch it here, the more you risk frizz. Now after it's pretty much dry, I'll flip my head over one last time and shake out my roots. And that's it. The whole routine from soak to dry takes me about 1.5 to 2.5 hours, depending on how long I plop it. And I have fine hair. I'd love to hear your wavy hair routines, or if you tried this one, how did it go? And that's everything. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, or if you have any questions, be sure to let me know. And if you're looking for more content, check out my other social media, all at Anorthidol. You can subscribe to this channel by clicking here, or watch another video right over here. Thanks for watching.